Cottonwood trees, belonging to the genus Populus, have been esteemed for centuries for their diverse applications in both traditional and modern medicine. Revered not only for their rapid growth and distinctive appearance, cottonwoods have played a significant role in various cultures for their edible and medicinal properties. This video looks into the Materia Medica of the cottonwood, exploring its growth, habitat, identification, reproductive biology, edible parts, medicinal uses, harvesting methods, and necessary cautions to ensure safe and effective utilization, growth, habitat, and identification. Cottonwoods are deciduous trees known for their impressive size and rapid growth rates. They can attain heights exceeding 100 feet, with some species like the eastern cottonwood, Populus deltoides, thriving in floodplains, riverbanks, and moist areas across North America. The black cottonwood, Populus trichocarpa, is prevalent in the western regions, often found alongside streams and in riparian zones. These trees are identifiable by their broad, triangular leaves with serrated edges and their distinctive cotton-like seeds that disperse through the air, facilitated by their feathery appendages. The bark of cottonwoods is another key identification feature. It is typically smooth and pale, often with a greenish tint in younger trees, gradually becoming darker and fissured with age. The tree's robust root systems and ability to regenerate quickly make them vital components of their ecosystems, providing habitat and stabilizing soil in their native environments. Male and female trees, reproduction and propagation. Cottonwood trees are dioecious, meaning that individual trees are either male or female. Both male and female trees are essential for the propagation of the species, as only female trees produce the cotton-like seeds necessary for reproduction. The male trees release pollen into the air during the spring, which is carried by the wind to fertilize the female flowers. This separation of sexes ensures genetic diversity and resilience within cottonwood populations. For successful cultivation and propagation, it is crucial to have both male and female trees within proximity to facilitate effective pollination and seed production. Edible parts and uses. While cottonwoods are primarily recognized for their medicinal attributes, they also offer several edible components. The inner bark, known as cambium, can be harvested and consumed, providing a source of carbohydrates during times of scarcity. Additionally, the young shoots and leaves are edible and can be eaten raw or cooked, offering a mild, slightly sweet flavor. Historically, Native American tribes utilized various parts of the cottonwood for sustenance, integrating them into their diets during specific seasons. The seeds, though primarily used for propagation, can also be processed to extract oils that are rich in essential fatty acids. These oils have potential applications in culinary and cosmetic products, although they are not widely consumed due to their low yield and the labor-intensive extraction process. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Cottonwood's medicinal prowess is largely attributed to its high content of salicylic acid, a compound renowned for its pain-relieving and fever-reducing properties. This naturally occurring precursor to aspirin makes cottonwood a valuable botanical resource for traditional and alternative medicine practices. Salicylic acid for pain and fever relief. The bark and leaves of the cottonwood contain significant amounts of salicylic acid. When ingested, these compounds act as analgesics, alleviating headaches, muscle aches, and reducing fevers. This makes cottonwood an effective natural remedy for various common ailments. Resin for topical treatments. The resin extracted from cottonwood leaves is utilized to create oils and salves that are applied topically. These preparations are effective in treating muscular pain, joint inflammation, tendon injuries, and other localized aches. The anti-inflammatory properties of the resin help reduce swelling and provide relief from chronic pain conditions. Aspirin-like extracts. Advanced extraction methods can produce compounds from cottonwood that are chemically similar to aspirin. These extracts provide similar therapeutic benefits, offering an alternative for individuals seeking plant-based pain relief options. Respiratory ailments. Cottonwood has been traditionally used to treat respiratory conditions such as pneumonia, the flu, and sore throats. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties help alleviate symptoms, while the expectorant qualities aid in clearing mucus from the respiratory tract. Intestinal worms. The anthelmintic properties of cottonwood make it effective against intestinal parasites. Decoctions made from the bark can help expel worms, promoting digestive health and preventing malnutrition caused by parasitic infections. Harvesting methods. Harvesting cottonwood for medicinal purposes requires careful consideration to ensure sustainability and efficacy. The preferred time for harvesting bark and leaves is during the spring or early summer, when the concentration of active compounds is highest. To harvest the inner bark, a thin layer can be carefully removed without damaging the tree, allowing it to continue growing and regenerating. Leaves should be collected by hand, ensuring that only a moderate amount is taken to prevent excessive loss and stress to the tree. For resin extraction, leaves are typically collected and processed shortly after harvesting to preserve the integrity of the resin. Proper storage in airtight containers is essential to maintain the potency of the medicinal compounds. When preparing extracts similar to aspirin, standardized extraction techniques should be employed to ensure consistency and safety in dosage. Cautions and considerations. While cottonwood offers numerous medicinal benefits, it is essential to exercise caution to prevent adverse reactions. Individuals with allergies to aspirin or bee products should avoid using cottonwood, as the salicylic acid content and potential cross-reactivity may trigger allergic responses. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include skin rashes, itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing, necessitating immediate medical attention. Additionally, excessive consumption of cottonwood bark or leaves can lead to gastrointestinal disturbances, such as stomach pain, nausea, or vomiting, due to the potent salicylic compounds. It is crucial to adhere to recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating cottonwood into a treatment regimen, especially for individuals with pre-existing health conditions or those taking other medications. The cottonwood tree stands as a remarkable example of nature's ability to provide both sustenance and healing. Its rapid growth and adaptability make it a common sight in various habitats, while its male and female counterparts ensure the continuation of this vital species. As we continue to explore and appreciate the Materia Medica of the cottonwood, it remains a testament to the intricate connections between plants and human health.